Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to create a one-on-one appointment in Acuity. First, log into your Acuity dashboard. Next, go to Appointment Types. In Appointment Types, you will click New Type of Service. From here, you'll add a name if you wanted to add a description or a message after scheduling. You can add that here. Set your duration for your appointments. Have your price. If you wanted a free appointment, then you can leave it at the $0. If not, you will need to add a price here. If you wanted to group your appointments into categories, you can create a new category here or select a current one here. If you wanted to add a picture to your appointment, you can do that here. And it is set by default to public, but if you only wanted this appointment to be available through a direct link, you can click private. Once you have all of your information set, if you would like to add a form, you can create a form in the form section and add it here. Then you'll create appointment type, and that will add your new appointment one-on-one to your Acuity. You can click the direct scheduling link and I'll give you a direct link, a scheduler to embed, a booking button, and a booking bar. At any point, if you needed to edit this, you can click edit to go in and edit the details of this appointment type. So that is how you create a one-on-one appointment in Acuity.